What it do, what it is, it's your girl Puff for real, and y'all know what's time. I'm dead. Hold on. What it do, what it is, y'all know who it is. It's Puff for real, and y'all know what time it is. Yeah. That was lit. That was lit. Okay. But y'all already know what time it is, right? It's my first YouTube video. Y'all about to get this banger real quick, for real. So, I'm about to attempt to do my lashes in quarantine. Yes, you heard it. I'm about to attempt to do individuals on myself. Now, I done did this before, but I ain't did it with, like, the real individuals that, like, the lash techs be using. Disclaimer, I do not recommend this for your average Joe, okay? Now, I be doing shit myself, you feel me? I do everything myself, you feel me? So I wanted to see if I can do this because I've been seeing people on YouTube doing it. So I'm like, let me get into it. Get into it. Get into it. And let me try it for myself. And that's what I'm finna get y'all. So keep watching and stay tuned for this. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh. Don't hang on the block, yo, what I thought. Talking to us, don't whip it, you walk, yo, what I thought, yo, what I thought. Don't hang on the block, yo, what I thought. Talking to us, but you don't whip.
But you surprised she fucking up. So that no shit holding up. She a little slut. She'll do anything for. Yeah, her name the fuck. But we do not get.
Okay, so y'all, I'm about to show y'all what y'all need to attempt this, you feel me? Okay, so not to attempt, but to achieve, you feel me? So what I got was these individual lashes. This is a brand. I got it off of Amazon, ordered off of Amazon, and they are 18 millimeters and they are the decurl. Also I got these tweezers from the beauty supply store, right? These are the sharp ones and these are like the regular ones. I should have ordered some tweezers off of Amazon, like the curved ones, but I thought it was gonna have them in the beauty supply store, so I just didn't get none. And when I got to the beauty supply store, I was disappointed. But I'm not gonna wait no longer, like, so I'm about to just finesse with these, periods. And also I got this individual eyelash glue from that's how they do it. My hands all in the way. And I got this eyelash glue from the beauty supply store too. So these are the items that you're gonna need, you feel me, to achieve this look. And also I'm gonna use a fan right here, this fan right here. Well, I have another one, but I'm gonna use a fan too because you want to blow the fan in your eyes while you're attaching the lashes so your eyes won't burn. So let's get into it. All right, so I got everything laid out, right? I got my glue, got my lash glue pen, got my fan right here, my mirror right here, and we about to get okay, let me stop talking and get working. Oh, y'all, I'm scared. How did they do it? How the girl do it in the video?
Hit a button, Morty. Give me a beat. Oh man. Okay. All right.
Okay, y'all, I'm back. So, like, I got some on. Y'all, I'm struggling. I don't know. I don't know what I was thinking, but I'm struggling for real. But I think it's about to come together. Just hold on. Okay, y'all, so I'm back with the finished product, period. Y'all see them, look at them. Check me out, check me out. Period. They came out cute, real cute. Y'all had to finish off camera because I was real like struggling for real. I don't know why, but that thing in my face had me sick, got me feeling sick, had my nose running.
Guess what, bitch? Coronavirus! Coronavirus!
Anyways, so they came out real cute, period. So make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and leave a comment down below and tell me what y'all want to see next, because I'm about to be dropping YouTube videos out there, period. So I hope y'all enjoy the video, and I'm out. Peace.
Let's go crazy.